How to hide your Facebook profile even without the lock feature. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you the way on how you can hide your Facebook profile even without the lock feature. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, what you only have to do is to simply overall make sure you have updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store. In the search box, typing in Facebook and go ahead and simply either download or update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've updated the Facebook app, you want to simply go over and then open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now in most regions and most countries, you will not be able to find the lock feature. So lock feature basically means that when somebody visits your profile, it will basically show them that this profile has been locked. But let's say that you want to actually lock it without the lock feature, then there are basically a couple of things which you can do on how we can hide and customize our privacy settings. For that, go to the menu option. As you go to the menu option over here, you want to actually scroll down to the bottom and then select settings and privacy. As soon as you select settings and privacy, you'll be able to see a list of various options. All you have to do is go ahead and then select the one which says settings. So go ahead and select settings or privacy shortcuts, and as soon as you select privacy shortcuts, overall you'll be able to see the see more privacy settings. So tap on see more privacy settings. As soon as you tap on see more privacy settings, you'll be able to see a list of all these options. So you can go ahead and check a few important settings if you want to, such as when you can see what you share and all. But if you want to hide and you can see people who find you, then you can see who can look you up using email address. You can select only me. Who can see your friends list? You can see only me. Who can send your friend request? You can select only me, and so on. So when you select who can send your friend request, try to minimize the privacy to friends of friends. And do you want search engine outside to Facebook to link to your profile? Then you can tap on yes, and so on. You can basically go ahead and then customize all of these permissions and then discoverability settings manually. And just basically how you can actually hide your Facebook profile without the lock feature. You have to customize each of the privacy settings manually. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.